Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AstroVibes. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the sun and the solar system. So let's begin. The sun is a star which is situated at the center of our solar system, and it contains nearly 99.8% of the total mass of our solar system. The sun is so big that nearly 1.3 million Earth-sized planets can fit into it. The surface temperature of sun is nearly 5500 degrees Celsius, and the core of the sun is nearly 15 million degrees Celsius. Sun is located at a distance of 150 kilometers away from our planet Earth, and this distance of the sun and our planet Earth is taken as one astronomical unit. This 1 AU or 1 astronomical unit is very important when we do any kind of astrophysical calculations. The sun is formed nearly 4.6 billion years ago, and it will shine for 5 million years more. Now let us discuss about the structure of the sun. The sun is not just a huge ball of fire, it actually has a complex internal structure. At the center of the sun is the core, where the nuclear fusion reactions take place. The sun gets all its energy from this. In the radiative zone, you can clearly see all the stones in this picture. In radiative zone, energy slowly travels outward through a process called as radiation. Next comes convective zone. Here, hot plasma rises upward and the cooler plasma sinks downward, creating convection current. A visible surface of the sun is called as photosphere. Above the photosphere is the chromosphere, and beyond the chromosphere, corona lies, which is sun's outer atmosphere. The magnetic fields of the sun can twist and tangle due to the movement of plasma inside the sun. So concepts like solar flares and solar storms can be explained using this movement of plasma inside the sun and due to this magnetic field generated. Now we will discuss about the solar system. Solar system consists of the sun and everything that orbits it because of gravity, like planets, moon, asteroids, etc. So we all know that there are 8 planets. First 4 planets are called as terrestrial planets just because they are rocky in nature. And the outer 4 planets are called as ice giants or gas giants. It's because they are composed mainly of ice and gas. So now we will discuss about all these 8 planets in detail. So before discussing about all the 8 planets, I think it is more important to discuss about the formation of the solar system. So about 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust known as solar nebula began collapsing under its own gravity. And it starts spinning and flattening into a rotating disk. The materials accumulated at the center, they formed the sun, and the remaining gas and dust, they over a millions of years, they stick together to form planetesimals. And eventually, this planetesimals formed protoplanets, and these protoplanets, over a period of time, get converted into the planets that we see today. Now let us discuss about the terrestrial planets. The terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and it is the smallest planet in our entire solar system. and it has no atmosphere, and extreme temperature changes can be seen, and the orbital period is of 88 days. Next comes Venus. It is similar to the size of Earth. It has an atmosphere which is composed mainly of carbon dioxide. It is the hottest planet due to the greenhouse effect, and it rotates very slowly. Next come Earth. Earth is the only known planet with life because it has liquid water, and it has a protective atmosphere and magnetic field. And as we all know that Earth has its own natural satellite, and that is Moon. Next is Mars. Mars is known as red planet. It has red color because of the deposition of iron oxide on its surface, and the evidence of ancient water flows can be seen. There are two moons of the planet Mars. Then comes outer planets. There are four outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is a massive gas giant and it has several moons. Next is Saturn. It is known for a spectacular ring system, and it is also a gas giant, and it is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium, and one of the largest moon that it has is the Titan. Next one is our Uranus. Uranus is an ice giant with methane atmosphere, and hence it appears bluish green in color and rotates on its side. It is tilted by 98 degrees. Next one is our Neptune. So it is the farthest known planet from the sun. The strongest winds in the solar system can be spotted here, and it has a deep blue color due to the presence of methane. Why Pluto is no longer a planet? Pluto was once considered as the ninth planet of our solar system. But in 2006, International Astronomical Union reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. It because it satisfies all the criteria to be classified as a planet, like it is spherical in shape and it revolves around the sun, except for one, that it doesn't clears its neighbor for its orbit. And that is why we now have 8 planets and not 9. And Pluto is considered now as a dwarf planet and not as a proper planet. Thank you so much for watching my video. In our next video, we will discuss about stars and galaxies. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.